$59, requesting a writ to issue after Monday, March 9, 2026. Partial payment would not prevent issuance of the writ.
I think you mean February 9th.
February 9th. Thank you.
Judgment to the plaintiff that is by default for possession, redemption amount, in the amount requested, writ to issue in 10 days.
Thank you.
Blue Heron Point versus Crystal McKinsey.
Again, Timothy Procco for the plaintiff.
Yes, she is. Your name? All right, what is plaintiff's claim in this case?
Your Honor, this is also a non-payment of rent case. Current rent to retain is $6,885.90. Cost of $170 for a total redemptive amount of $7,055.90.
Ma'am, how are you intending on getting that paid?
So I paid the $1,750, the last court date we had. And I was gonna pay a payment of $1,000 today. If they can give me more time, I would like it, but at this point, the late fees and the month to month that they promised to take off after I pay is more than the rent, so I didn't get it.
How much is the month to month?
They're charging me $350 for month to month and $150 twice a month every time I'm late. So $100.
$150 late fee?
Yes.
$300 late fee?
Yes, sir. $150 after the 3rd and $150 after the 8th.
Whoa.
So if I was
Just hold on.
okay.
I'm showing a late fee, Your Honor. There's a late fee of $75 on the 5th. Another late fee of $75 on the 10th.
So it's late fee is just $150 a month, or is it $300?
So if we could, I wish I could have brought my ledger because they went $150 on me. It was at 1.75, but they did move it to $150.
So it looks like the total monthly late fee, Your Honor, is $150. There is a $300 month-to-month fee that was applied. That is correct. Each month, there's a $300 month-to-month holdover fee that's applied to the ledger.
May I speak?
Yes.
And that's because in September, I had a balance, even though my rent was paid. With the late fees, it's considered a balance, so I'm not allowed to sign my lease every time it's a bit of a balance. So this is why this is accumulating like this. I can pay this by March the 1st, but if it's gonna just accumulate, I'd rather cut my losses and move on.
You're sure that you got charged $150 for late fees?
I'm sure. It's just been so frustrating because not even only that, I had a zero balance back in November. And then they made a mistake and counted me for $1,000. So when I looked up again, I had a balance that I thought was clear. So then comes the late fees and no, you can't sign the lease. And it's
But did you not have a balance?
They made a mistake. No, I paid my rent, what I thought was all of it, what was on the thing. But they made a mistake after I came to court and said that I paid $4,000 when I only paid $3,000. And then so by them putting that balance on after the court date, that like it just started a snowball effect. So I can definitely pay.
Hold on a second. You were here on a court case.
Correct. Not this past 2 weeks ago. Correct. This was maybe back in November when I was late. 1 month.
Was there a judgment issued for a certain amount?
Yes, sir.
And you paid that amount?
Yes, sir.
And then they tack more on?
Yes.
Oh, that's gonna be a problem.
And then I have all my emails asking them about this, but I can never talk with anyone. And another reason why I can't take it on the day that I say I'm gonna take it, they're not always in that office where I live at. They run 3 properties. So okay.
Sometimes when you're ahead, it's better to be quiet.
Yeah.
All right. I'll adjourn this out to February 13, 2026 at 3 p.m. bring all of your, I want your ledgers, your payment, I want everything that I can, so I can take a look at it. Going back to that, you
November.
think that one case was, the judgment was November?
Oh, I know it was.
Hang on a second, do we see a case? Was it filed in November or October? You don't know, that's okay. Do we